Are 20mm spacers safe? BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. You don't have to worry about buying non-genuine BONOSS products, because each box will have an anti-counterfeiting code. You can quickly check the authenticity through our official website. BONOSS has been designing and manufacturing wheel spacers since 2007. Professional production experience and excellent product quality makes us confident to provide a super long warranty survive up to 10 years. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.